Welcome learners. Today we will be learning advance payment of tax. When we discuss the basic concepts, we have discussed the concept of previous year and assessment year. I told you that the income year is known as the previous year, that is the year in which the assessee earns his or her income, and the following the previous year, the year is known as the assessment year, in which his or her income is assessed to tax. So, normally the income tax is calculated in the following year in which the assessee earns his or her income, and the tax payable in the previous year is computed in the following year, that is in the assessment year. Now, what happens? Whether the assessee will have to pay the tax in the next year? Yes, he or she has to pay the tax in the next year in total or in settlement of his or her account of tax, but there is a rule of advance payment of tax which says that pay the tax as you earn. So, this is known as advance payment of tax. It is obligatory to pay advance tax in every case where the advance tax payable is rupees 10,000 or more. However, a senior citizen not having income from business or profession is not liable to pay advance tax from the assessment year 2013-14, but for other assessees it is compulsorily to pay advance tax. And the Income Tax Act has specified 4 dates by which part by part the assessee should pay the tax during the year in which he or she earns the income. The first date is 15th of June. By 15th of June, not less than 15% of the tax liability is to be paid. On or before 15th of September, not less than 45% of the tax liability as reduced by the amount, if any, paid is to be paid. By 15th, not less than 75% of the advance tax liability is to be paid, and by 15th of March, the whole amount of advance tax liability as reduced by the amount, if paid on the earlier assessment, must be paid by the assessee. So, there are 4 dates of advance tax. Please remember and note. Number 1, 15th of June, that is 15% of advance tax liability is to be paid. 15th of September, by this time 45% of the advance tax liability is to be paid. 15th of December, by this time 75% of the advance tax liability is to be paid, and by 15th of March 100%, that is the whole amount of advance tax liability is to be paid. So, any amount paid by way of advance tax on or before 31st March shall also be treated as advance tax paid during each financial year. Now, if an assessee defaults in pay of advance tax or pays short of the required amount, then rate of interest will be charged at the rate of 1% per month or for the part, that is, or for the part of the month thereof. Same way, the income tax department also pays the interest in case there is a delay in refund or excess recovery, but the rate is 0.5% per month or part of the month. So, this is about the advance payment of tax, which says that pay as you earn, and I repeat, there are 4 important dates to be noted: 15th of June, 15th of September, 15th of December, and 15th of March.